Replacing or upgrading a door might seem like a straightforward project, but in reality, it's an important investment in your home's security, comfort, and curb appeal. For Smithtown homeowners, choosing professional door installation ensures that your new entry, patio, or interior doors are not only attractive but also correctly fitted for maximum performance. If you're planning a door installation project, here's a step-by-step look at what you can expect when working with professionals. Initial consultation and measurements. The process begins with an in-home consultation. Assessment of your current door. Professionals will inspect your existing door and frame, noting any structural issues, drafts, or signs of wear. Precise measurements. Accurate sizing is crucial. An ill-fitting door can lead to drafts, security risks, and poor energy efficiency. Style and material options. During this stage, you'll discuss preferences like wood, fiberglass, or steel doors, as well as finishes, glass inserts, or hardware that complement your Smithtown home's style. This ensures your new door is both functional and visually appealing. Preparing for installation day. Before the crew arrives, there are a few steps you can take to make the installation process smooth. Clear the entryway. Move furniture, rugs, or decorative items near the door area. Ensure access. Keep walkways clear for installers to bring tools and materials. Pets and kids. It's best to keep them in a separate space for safety while work is underway. Taking these simple precautions helps the team focus on getting the job done efficiently. Removing the old door. The installation begins with removing your old door and frame. Careful dismantling. Installers will detach the existing door, trim, and hardware. Inspecting the frame. The wall opening will be checked for water damage, rot, or structural weaknesses. Addressing issues. If any problems are found, they'll be repaired before the new door is installed to ensure a solid foundation. This step is critical for long-lasting results. Installing the new door. With the old door removed and the opening prepped, the new door can be installed. Precise placement. Professionals align the door within the frame to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Securing the frame. Shims and fasteners are used to keep the frame plumb and square. Weatherproofing. Insulation and high-quality sealants are applied to prevent drafts, leaks, and moisture intrusion, especially important in Smithtown's varying climate. Every detail is handled to maximize both performance and energy efficiency. Finishing touches. Once the door is securely in place, the finishing steps bring everything together. Hardware installation. Handles, locks, hinges, and decorative accents are attached. Trim and caulking. Interior and exterior trim is reinstalled, and caulk is applied for a polished, seamless look. Testing. The installers check to ensure the door swings properly, locks securely, and provides a tight seal. This final stage ensures your door is both functional and beautiful. Cleanup and walkthrough. After installation, the crew will clean up the work area, removing debris and disposing of your old door. Then they'll guide you through a quick walkthrough. Operation demonstration. You'll learn how to operate the door and locks. Maintenance tips. Installers will share care advice to help your door stay in great shape. Final inspection. Together, you'll confirm that the installation meets your expectations. This professional approach ensures a smooth handoff. Final thoughts. For Smithtown homeowners, professional door installation provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is secure, energy efficient, and aligned with your home's style. From the initial consultation to the finishing touches, experts handle every detail with precision. Whether you're replacing a worn entry door, upgrading to a stylish patio door, or improving interior flow, professional installation ensures your new door not only enhances curb appeal but also provides long-term durability and comfort.